Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to tilt a face in Photoshop. First, create a copy of your layer. You can do this by right-clicking on the layer and selecting Duplicate Layer. Now, select the lasso tool from the left menu and draw a selection around the head of the subject. Next, press Ctrl+J on your keyboard to create a new layer with the selected head. While the new layer is selected, click on the Transform button or press Ctrl+T to enter free transform mode. Now, select the Move tool from the left menu and rotate the head to your liking. Once you are satisfied with the tilt, press Enter to apply the transformation. To smooth out the edges, choose the Brush tool from the left menu. Set the opacity and flow to around 50%. Now, gently brush over the harsh edges to blend them in with the rest of the image. And that's it. You have successfully tilted the face in Photoshop. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.